Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The price line of Bitcoin is rejected by $45,000 resistance level, and now it is crossing down a very important support zone that starts from $44,000 and goes to $43,000. Right now we are again moving below this zone, and in my previous videos I have been telling you that previously this level has been working as a very strong support level. Therefore the price line needs to be above this level of $44,000 to $43,000. This is a really very significant support zone, but we also have this 100 simple moving average support. That is another hope, because after the previous drop we had a bounce by this 200 simple moving average, and again we moved down at the 100 simple moving average, and right now after this bounce we are again moving down to the 100 simple moving average support that is not broken down so far. And if we watch above the price line, then we also have some other simple moving average resistance as well. Like this yellow line is a 200 simple moving average daily, and we also have this very strong resistance, and this one is this green one is the 50 simple moving average that can also work as a very strong resistance for the price line. And right now the price line is moving below this zone that is $43,000. Now if we take a look at the volume right now on the daily time frame, there is not a big sell of volume is shown, but if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then volume is getting increased. If I place the volume oscillator to show you the power of buying or sell volume, right now we can see that this volume oscillator, it is a really very useful tool to measure the power of buying or selling. And right now we can see that it was moving in the negative territory, and while this sell-off, it has moved in the positive territory. The value of the volume oscillator right now is 3.43. You can watch the value here, that is 3.43. and during the recent sell-off, it was moved up to 36.27 and then again up to 23.16. That was really very powerful sell volume. And if we take a look at the daily values of the volume oscillator, then previously it was on 7th of September it was triggered with the value of 27.30. that is very powerful on the daily time frame, and on 21st of September it was moved up to 26.35. that is also really very strong sell off. Right now we can see on the daily time frame it is still moving in the negative territory, but as on the 4-hourly time frame it is moving up and entered the positive territory. Therefore soon it is possible that on the daily time frame it will be entered in the positive territory and we will have a strong sell volume. However, we still have very nice support of 100 simple moving average that is not broken down. After 1st August, you can see the price line broke out this 100 simple moving average here and tried to break down this 100 simple moving average, but moved up, and we had a very nice move. And after touching almost $53,000, the price line is again at this support of 100 simple moving average. Now again, let me take you to the bigger picture, and that is the weekly time frame. Here we are testing the exponential moving average 21, and I've been telling you in my previous videos that we should be above this EMA 21, because even though we had several weeks above this exponential moving average, we have been moving above this level. But if it will be broken down, then it will be another rejection by the EMA 21, like previously after the end of bull run of 2017, when the price line moved down, we moved up above this EMA 21 for a while, but the price action rejected, moved down again. We had another closing above the EMA 21, but we had another rejection. So this is the sign of a very big rejection if we will have once again this situation on the weekly time frame like we had previously. So we have so many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7 closings above the EMA 21 so far. But if it will be move down while retesting this EMA 21, because you can see that after breaking out, right now the price line is again testing the EMA 21, and if it will be failed, then it will be another rejection and the price action can again move up to retest the EMA 21, and in that situation the EMA 21 can work as a very strong resistance. Like back in 2018, it has been working as a very strong resistance after this rejection. So we should be above the EMA 21 weekly, and right now the value of the EMA 21 is $43,430. And if we watch the major support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame, then we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 major support and resistance levels. Like you can see previously on the weekly time frame, we have so many touches here, and sometimes the candlestick has been closing moving close to this level, or sometimes it has been hitting this level, that is $28,600. And then we have a very significant support on the weekly time frame, that is $43,000. Here you can see that the $43,000 has been breaking as a very strong resistance. The price action moved up, rejected, moved down, and broke out this resistance here, and here it has been breaking as a very strong resistance again when we had this drop after reaching at the final resistance, that is above $60,000. The price action moved down and had a nice bounce, but we had several rejections for several weeks, and the price action has been moving between this support and resistance level from $28,600 to $43,000. And after this $43,000, we have the major support at $44,000. You can see previously it has been breaking as a strong support here, and as a strong support here as well. We had a nice bounce, but right now we are breaking down this $44,000, and we are moving towards, even we have moved at $43,000. So we need the closing, especially the weekly closing, above $43,000. If it will be closed above $44,000, that will be a really very big relief. However, if we will have a closing above $43,000, then even in that situation, the price action can fight back and break out this EMA 21 weekly and also this $44,000 level as well, and also the daily 250 simple moving averages resistance levels, and also can break out the $45,000 strong resistance level from where the price line is right now being rejected. And if this sell-off will be stopped here, then it can be a very great news for the bulls, because you can see that the price line is forming lower lows. And if we place the RSI oscillator on the chart, this is the daily time frame, then we can see that even the RSI is also forming lower lows with the price line. Let me show you the RSI. You can see that the RSI is forming lower lows, and once we will have a higher low and the RSI will also start forming higher lows, then soon the price action can also form the higher highs, and we can move back into the uptrend, a complete uptrend on the daily time frame as well. So right now, if I conclude, then we are having sell-off, but this sell-off is not as that much powerful like we had here on 20 and 21st of September and on 7th of September. However, if the magnitude of sell will be increased, then we can expect that it will form another lower than previous low, and this downtrend will be continued. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video description. Take care. Goodbye.